Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to make your face smooth in your Snapseed app. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already downloaded Snapseed app in your device. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Snapseed app. Here we go. At the middle, you can see that plus icon, tap on that. Now choose the photo. Now at the bottom, you can see the option tools, tap on that. Now here you can see different options, go to the option portrait. Now at the bottom middle, you can see the option, tap on that. Now choose the option skin smoothing. Now at the top, you can see increase or decrease. After you are done, tap on bottom right corner. In this way, you can easily make your face smooth using Snapseed app. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.